So in the last lecture, we set up our project and the Firebase backend. Let's now install Axios. As I said, it's a third-party package. It's not integrated into Vue. So I'll quit my npm run dev process for a second. And in the terminal, I'll now run npm install -- save to also store an entry in the package.json file, Axios. That's the name of the package. As a side note, if you want to learn more about this package and dive deeply into it, don't miss the chance to visit its webpage on github.com, or its GitHub repository, I should say. You can simply search for Axios in GitHub and you should instantly find this. There you will find detailed instructions about the installation, about the usage, the whole API, and so on. But of course, I'm going to show you the most important things here. So with that, I installed Axios. I can now rerun npm run dev to go back into my development server mode and in the watch mode, which watches my code. With Axios installed, the first important thing to note is that we don't add it or don't have to use it on our Vue app. So unlike the router which we use with Vueuse or the store which we use with Vueuse, Vuex, Axios is a third-party package and by default not integrated into Vue like this. Now, there actually are packages which bind Axios to Vue and then give you access to it on the this instance, so in any component with the this keyword. But I want to show you the raw way of using Axios. You can always look into other third-party packages if you are interested in more deeply integrating Axios into Vue, but for now, let's just stick to the raw library itself. So the goal is to submit data on the sign-up page. And then later, I want to be able to get this data on the dashboard page. So the simplest way of using Axios in the sign-up page is to just make an HTTP request through the package from there. Let's do this in the next lecture.